Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can check the excited properties on the stake app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this stake, and after clicking on this we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now, the three type of properties are provided here. The first one is available and the second one is funded. If you want to check out the funded, these are also provided here. If you want to go to the excited properties, these are also provided here. Like you can check it out, this one is sold out, and as you can see the purchase price is also mentioned here. Total rental income is also provided here, and the funded date 9 March 2023 and sold in 2025 May. So as you can see, these all are provided here. Like this is here 2 bed in City Walk 7 City Walk. So this was funded date 26 May 2023 and is sold in May 2025. So these all properties are provided here. You can check it out these as well and you can learn from them. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check it out the excited properties and the stake. So see you in the next video.